National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Fayette County, Ohio, west central Pickaway County, until 1 p.m. At 12:27 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Bloomingburg, moving southeast at 40 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include New Holland, Deer Creek Lake, Madison Mills, Pancosburg, and State Route 207 at U.S. Route 22. Now here is the official National Weather Service forecast for Central Ohio.